Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create gradient fog effect in Photoshop, duplicate your background photo in Photoshop and add a white layer on top and lower opacity. Use black to white gradient mask to control density. Now add a new gradient fill layer, choose light gray to transparent and also apply it over fog areas. Set blend mode to the screen and adjust opacity for realism. Blur slightly for softness and add multiple layers for depth variations. Each gradient gives layered mist look and add blue tint for cold atmosphere. Fog appears natural and airy.